Hey guys, so this quick video is to show you how to properly perform a squat, okay? There's a lot of moving parts to this and it's not as simple as just coming down and coming back up, okay? There's a lot to it. So we're gonna get into that. So first I just wanna go over how to perform a regular squat. This is not a modification. I will show you a modified version after I show you the proper version. Okay, so basically you're gonna be standing up nice and tall. So nice and tall means shoulders are back. You're kind of like squeezing your shoulder blades together just a little bit, just to kind of get some traction here. You're pulling that belly button in, but not like sucking in your belly too much. You're nice little pull in just to kind of engage the core muscles here because they're gonna be working as well. Shoulders are gonna be keeping you stabilized. So you want everything nice and taut, okay? So your shoulders are back, your belly button's pulled in a little bit. Your hips are back, your feet are about hip width apart, and your toes are slightly pointing out, okay? This gives you a little bit more mobility when you're coming down, and it allows you to come down a little bit deeper. So what you're gonna do is, standing in this position, you are going to shift your weight back and drop your butt down slowly. Now you're gonna be watching those knees. You don't want those knees to be coming forward and over those toes, okay? You want all that weight to be in your heels. So a little trick is that when you're down here, you can kind of wiggle all those little piggies of yours, okay? They're all kind of moving and wiggling. That means that there's no weight being pushed on them. The weight's not coming forward, and you're not gonna fall forward. You're almost gonna feel like you're gonna fall back, all right? So you're really sending that booty back. Let me show you from the side angle. And you're also looking up. A lot of the times I see people do these squats, and they're laying down like this. Yeah, it looks like you're getting closer to the floor because your eyes are literally getting closer to the floor. Not what we're looking for here. You want to keep your head up and looking forward. So as you come down, it's your butt that's getting closer to the floor, not your eyes. Okay? So really pay attention to that. So your seat goes back, your booty goes back, and you lower it down. I put my hands here just for balance. You can put them on your wrists, on your hips, or wherever you want. It's totally fine. Or they can just come down low. Maybe you can tap the floor if you're getting low enough. That's totally fine. So you're just coming back, and then exhaling as you come back up. All the while I'm keeping this belly button pulled in. I'm not letting it go loose. Everything's nice and tight, especially at the top. When I come up, everything is tight. My glutes are activated, my quads, hamstrings, core, shoulders, everything is engaged here. Okay, so that's what you want to do. If you need modifications, one of my favorite, if you're just getting started, is using the chair as for support. So again, you want to hold that stance just like I said, toes pointing slightly out, nice and tall here, and then you're just going to shift that weight back. You're actually going to sit down, and then you're going to come back up. Simple like that. Use that chair if you're new. If that's even too low, put a pillow on there, and then come down and just touch that pillow and come back up. You're gonna get that feeling like, okay, everything is going back. This is how I'm supported. All my weight's back here. And then you come back up, all right? So that's how you do a regular squat, and this is how you do a modified squat, all right? So you're gonna keep building as you go along, and as always, reach out to me if you have any questions, any concerns, and you're not really certain how to do the move, I will help you out, okay? That's what I'm here for. And I am so excited to get started with this challenge, all right? So I will see you guys on day one when we do our benchmark, which is gonna look a little different than our normal benchmark workouts, all right? So stay tuned. All right, guys. Mwah.